Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and today I'm going to talk about the brand pH-D Feminine Health. Hey everyone, so today's video, as you can see, I'm shooting it from my bedroom in my PJs. I just wanted to keep this video really intimate and casual because this is a topic that I know a lot of people might feel a little bit nervous to talk about, that might be a little bit taboo, but today I just want to address it out in the open in a way that isn't too stuffy. So recently I was approached by the brand pH-D Feminine Health, and they reached out to me about trying some of their products. And for me, when it comes to vaginal health, I lump that in with total wellness. I do not shy away from the conversation around vaginal health, and I honestly think that it's so important that we as women are more open to it, because I think that's the only way that we'll find more solutions for the things that we're battling with. So what really drew me to pH-D Feminine Health is the fact that their products for your vaginal wellness are all natural. Yes, their products are all natural, which makes it even better because I don't know about you, but I don't want to be using any old thing down there. So after finding out that they had all natural products, I was like, yes, I'll definitely give them a try. Because for me personally, my pH balance gets thrown off so easily. Like I don't know, I guess it's my vagina is sensitive, but my pH gets thrown off really easily. So for me, I constantly have to be wary about the types of products that I'm using and making sure that I'm using all natural products that are to help, not hinder my vagina. So I decided to give their products a try, and I am happy to report back that I really do love them. So today what I'm going to do is give you a breakdown of the two products that I tried from pH-D Feminine Health, and just give you a little bit more background on the ingredients that they use and the benefits that each of them reap. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before I do, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Alright, let's get into it. So the first product that we're going to talk about is the pH-D Feminine Health Boric Acid Vaginal Suppositories. So these vaginal suppositories are inserted directly into the vagina, and they can be used as a preventative measure, or you can use them if you are already experiencing some odor. So boric acid is something that is naturally found in seawater, and it helps to restore the the vagina's normal pH levels. And the thing about pH is that it doesn't always, your pH isn't always thrown off because of something very terrible going on with your body. It can be thrown off by minor things like sweat while exercising, during your period, after intercourse, or during menopause. So don't freak out if your pH is thrown off. Just using a product like this with boric acid helps to restore that normal pH. And from there, that helps to eliminate odor, and then it prevents any other issues that might occur. So the way that you use these boric acid suppositories is that you put them into this applicator. So you put them into this smooth plastic applicator, and then from there you insert it into the vagina. So the great thing about the applicator is it's fairly thin, so it eliminates discomfort. And also these suppositories are gel capsules, so they're nice and soft as well when they go in, and they dissolve as they're inside of you, and from there work their magic. For me personally, I usually notice an imbalance in my pH during my period. Leading up to my period, that's when things start to get a little bit tricky for me. So what I did was I made sure to use this when I was leading up to my period and for a few days at the beginning of my period, and that was really helpful in maintaining my pH throughout. And honestly, I'm really happy that I did. It was a really nice preventative measure for me, and honestly it made me feel a lot better. odor during my period. So the next product that I got from pH-D Feminine Health is their Holistic Feminine Deodorant Spray. Now, I really truly love this product so much. The great thing about it is it's vegan, it's paraben free, cruelty free, so I feel really good whenever I use it. And also the cucumber scent I feel is it's so mature, because I feel like a lot of times with these products for your vagina that are meant to eliminate odor, they smell too fruity, or they're just like, the scent is just not one that I agree with, and I don't necessarily like it as much. But this cucumber scent I can definitely get behind, and like I said, it's definitely a more mature scent that feels refreshing. So the thing about this deodorant spray is that you can use it and it actually helps to eliminate odor. It doesn't just mask over it and then a few minutes later you go back to the same way you were before. So this deodorant spray is made with a compound called amazole, and that's made up of a natural peptide and amino acid so that it uniquely and safely eliminates any odor. So for me, I like to use this product midday for a nice refresh in between showers, and it helps to eliminate any odor, prevent any odor, and it keeps me feeling so nice and fresh. And the thing is, I hate when people say that, you know, you need to use XYZ to make your vagina smell a certain way. All of our vaginas uniquely have their own scent. So there's nothing wrong with your fragrance, but you as a woman know when it is an odor or when it's your actual natural vagina smell. And if you do have a slight odor, that is completely normal as well. And that's why I love the fact that this product is all natural, because again, I don't feel like I'm spraying on something that is going to disrupt my body flow, and I'm not necessarily trying to change anything about my body, but this just helps me to feel more at ease and confident throughout the day. So overall, I would definitely recommend these all natural products from pH-D Feminine Health. And not only are these products all natural, but the brand is actually woman founded and woman run, so you know that they have our best interests at heart. And all of their products are available on their website as well as on Amazon. I've included a link in the description box below to where you can buy their products. And let's keep this discussion going in the comment section below. I want to keep the floor open for any conversation you want to have about it. And if you feel like maybe there isn't someone that you're able to talk to about these things, I am definitely here. And I also do want to note that these products are not substitute for any type of doctor's consultation. If you do notice that an odor continues to persist or is a lot stronger, or there are any other issues such as itching or flare-ups, then it's best for you to go to a doctor and have them check you out. But overall, these are really great preventative products and helping with eliminating and keeping you feeling nice and confident. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.